If you're looking for setting up Google Analytics 4 for the very first time, you have landed on the right video. In this GA4 tutorial, we will walk you through the interface, standard reports, funnel explorations, and how to set up GA4 in a proper way. But before moving ahead, if you're first time to the channel, consider subscribing to stay up to date with GA4, Tag Manager, Looker Studio, and more. Alright, so let's first understand Google Analytics 4 in detail. It is a new feature that came out of beta in October 2020, and you can also call it App plus Web Property, as it can collect information from both the website and app, which can help you better understand the customer journey. Another important update here is that the basic version of Google Analytics, which is the Universal Analytics, will stop processing new data from July 1, 2023 this year, but you will still have the access to historical data for the first 6 months after that date. The data will be gone after then, and GA4 will become the sole Google tool accessible for monitoring website activity. Now you must be wondering, how is it different from UA? First of all, GA4 is built on a completely new architecture, and you can see that here. This is the old UA interface, and this is the new GA4 interface. But we'll discuss this in detail in the upcoming videos. As you know, UA is a web-only platform, and GA4 is a combination of both web and app, but there are many other key differences between these platforms as well. Such as the UA follows the concept of a session-based data model, which is essentially a series of page views, events, and transactions. On the other side, GA4 is built around the concept of events and follows a flexible event-based data model. Here, all the interactions are stored as events that can be anything from page views, button clicks, form submissions, and even transactions are all events. Also, UA has limited cross-device tracking, but GA4 uses first-party cookies and signals to enable cross-device data collection and reporting. The system deduplicates users across devices by using the best available user identifiers, which makes cross-device tracking easy and more precise. We'll talk about this in depth in the later videos. Another key difference is the predefined reports. UA has a lot of predefined reports like audience demographic reports, technology reports, source medium reports, etc. But GA4 has limited predefined reports. However, the advantage here is the flexibility. It has greater options in the exploration section to create custom reports, which is also one of our favorite sections in GA4. There is also limited flexibility in audience creation on the UA side, but a much greater option to define and segment audiences in GA4. And last but not the least, there's limited automation in UA, but GA4 uses powerful machine learning to improve and simplify insights discovery. So it certainly makes sense to switch to GA4 as soon as possible if you haven't done yet, because the longer you leave it, the more data you will have in your account. And with this tutorial, we'll help you do that.